Hey fellas, how's it going? Assad here, and now I'm gonna teaching about the Array.sort. So what it does, it gonna so as the name suggests, it sorted out those you want inside an array by strings, or the A, B, C, D like that, and 1, 2 in case of numbers. So let's begin. Create a var months, and what we're gonna do is equals to an array of string. So let's begin with March, comma, January for sorted for Jan, February, not Fab but Feb, yeah, and after that I'm gonna pass December. So what do you expect? What gonna happen if I sort this? Months dot sort, and after that log it on a console the months. So what you expect? What gonna happen? It says December, February, January. If you expect January to be first, please don't say that. No, it's not gonna happen, because it's gonna sort by string of the beginning of alphabets, not by that. And if I paste anything like 1, what do you expect? Well, there will be 1b. So if it's any different language, it's gonna be it's gonna be syntax error if this method exists though. But in JavaScript, first the numbers come out, numbers, then the strings. So if I paste like something like 14, comma 2, comma 6, comma 3, you're gonna sort those, see. And now if I remove these, it's gonna give you this. So now you'll ask, why 14 is second, not the 2? So it check only the first one, not the second one. So this is what it does. So if you want to, you need to make an array of those, and then you need to pass the arrays, and then you need to string this. So this is what it does. It's not gonna give you 14 at the last. This is not gonna happen in this. So this is what it does. And yeah, JavaScript soon gonna launch. About, I think they launch like that, something like that, So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.